Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Many Android phones play a short tone or spoken announcement during calls. Manufacturers and carriers add this warning for legal and privacy compliance. Stock apps and telecom services enforce the announcement on Android 10 and newer devices. Ordinary app settings cannot remove the announcement because it runs at the system level. The only reliable removal requires modifying system components that produce the tone. This requires advanced access and careful steps. To avoid bricking your device or to remove the announcement, you must obtain root or install Magisk on your device. Root gives write access to /system, where the tone or announcement resource resides. Identify the tone file inside framework or telecom app resources, then disable or replace it with silence. Alternatively, use a trusted Magisk module that targets the announcement sound or telephony service. After installing changes, reboot the device and test on a local call to confirm removal before regular use. Before making any system changes, create a full Nandroid backup using your recovery. Backups let you restore the original system if something fails or breaks boot. Check local and regional laws because recording or removing notice can be unlawful in some jurisdictions. If you encounter call failures, restore the backup or uninstall the Magisk module to revert changes. Keep system updates in mind, since OTA updates can reintroduce the announcement or break your modification.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.